Hi there, Laura from Godstar Work here. Today we are doing a collab with the Faithful Fab 9, and it's our small YouTuber Shoutout. And I feel like my camera is crooked. Hang on. I don't know if that made any difference, but I tried. So today's pick was Dezi's from Dezi's Corner, and she picked Kailee Wesley. Now, I have been following Kailee Wesley for quite a while now, and we've done quite a few collabs together, and I just adore Kailee. I think she's wonderful. She calls herself a panning fanatic and an eyeshadow lover, and so I'll just show you her channel. There it is there. And she does lots of project pans, and because she also loves eyeshadow, I'm going to base it off a look of hers, but I'm not going to copy it exactly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my eyeshadows that I've put into my new project pan in honour of Kailee, who loves project panning, and do an eyeshadow look from there because she loves eyeshadow. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm using the video that she did as a collab about being grateful and being happy. And there she is. There. And I don't know whether you're able to see, but it's kind of a orangey pinky look with a light lid. So that's what I'm going to base my look on today. She's got a couple of dogs that she absolutely adores, and they're big dogs. So I'm going to, I want to use the red that I have in my project because I haven't actually used that yet. I might buff that out with this colour. And for the light shimmer, I will use this one that I got in my project pan. So I'll be using at least 3 shadows that I had in my project pan. And I've already pricked my eyes. And adjust my mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. Now, one of my favourite red shimmers is actually from a Chi Chi palette. This one is a Chi Chi palette, but this isn't my favourite red in here. This one isn't as pigmented, so I think it'll be a little bit harder to work with, but Kailee's look is quite soft, so I think it'll do what I want it to do for this look. And I also want to just buff out the top with a bone kind of colour, just so I don't end up with a harsh line up there. So I'm going to go into that orange. It's kind of a dark, it's kind of a brick, I would say, sort of a terracotta. It's not that far away from the red, actually. So, Kailee is a wonderful soul. I absolutely love her. She's very supportive and very kind, and she's fun to watch. She has a great sense of humour. And as she says, she's a makeup lover, which is one of the reasons why I ended up doing makeup on YouTube, because I'm a makeup lover and nobody in my real life is that into makeup, so it's nice to find other people out there who enjoy makeup as well, and through collabing with her and chatting with her, she's become a dear friend, and we've done some makeup swaps and things. So I'm just going into that shimmer from the Tribe palette, which is way more blingy than what Kailee is wearing. So I'm going to sort of buff that out a bit. It's pretty. And Kailee can do colourful looks, and she can also do very more subdued looks. And her passion at the moment is in project panning. She's just really enjoying doing that. I want to get a small pointy brush, like a pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into that red and just see if I can make the outer V any darker. And although she's a lot younger than me, I feel like we do connect really well. If you like project panning and you like eyeshadow, then go over and check out Kailee. I'm sure you will enjoy her. Yeah, that made a bit of a difference using the different brush. I'm going to go back into this one. What is this one? I never told you. It is called Pumpkin, and it's from the Sofx Revolution palette, the first one that I depotted because the packaging broke. Don't you hate it when packaging breaks? It's the trouble with the plastic packaging. The lid breaks off or something. It really annoys me. I hate having broken things. And then she did quite a pink underneath. Now, I have to go into my new purchases because I lost my pink eyeliner, so I had to buy a new one. So I'm going to go with the pink, and then I'm going to go over it. I think I'll go over it with that brick colour. It might show a bit more pink than the red, I think, because it's a bit lighter. As I said, I'm not copying the colours exactly because I wanted to use my project pan stuff in honour of Kailee. So there are 9 of us in the Faithful Fab 9, which makes sense because that's why we call it the Faithful Fab 9. And we all are makeup lovers. We all have quite different styles, and some of us do makeup looks and project panning, and some of us do unboxings, and so you get a variety of different things, and a lot of us do a lot of collabs as well, and everyone in this group is just so wonderful. They're just wonderful people, and if you're looking for people to support who are really genuine and wonderful, then you can't go wrong with any of these ladies, and you can't go wrong with Kailee either, because she is a wonderful, genuine person. Quite like that. Does anyone else have that trouble where they do the waterline and then they end up with it all? Well, they do their upper, they tightline, I should say. They tightline and they end up with it all in their waterline. It's not. I didn't want a black waterline, but that's what I ended up with. Usually nothing stays at my waterline. And so I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll come back. And there is my final look in honour of Kailee Wesley, our small YouTuber for this month. And I will leave her links down below so you can go and follow her, and please go and check her out if you don't know her already. If you've been following my channel for any length of time, you have probably come across her before, because as I said, I've collabed with her more than once. I mention her quite often, and I forgot to put my earrings in, which Kailee Wesley sent me when we did our makeup swap. So I'll just put those in. And she also sent me the butter bronzer in Sun-Kissed Bronzer from Physicians Formula, which was really, really nice of her. I haven't seen it anywhere in store around where I live, and I was really appreciative of that as well. So I'm wearing that today. And I don't know what else to say about Kailee, except that she is an absolute gorgeous person inside and out, and I love her to bits, and I really would love to see her grow more. And she does YouTube for the same reasons I do, because it's fun and she meets nice people. So if you're looking to meet some nice people and have some fun with them and chat with them in the comments, then go and check out Kailee, but also go and check out all the Faithful Fab night, because we're all the same. We're there to have fun and meet nice people and chat in the comments and play with makeup. So if you love makeup and you love pinning, then Kailee is the girl for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.